What if I told you there's a YouTube channel making over $10,000 a month, with no face, no filming, and no talking? Sounds crazy? It's 100% real. In this video, I'll show you exactly how YouTube automation works, how faceless channels make serious money, and how you can start your own today. Stick around till the end. I'll even give you a full blueprint to copy. YouTube automation is the secret weapon of smart creators. You don't need to show your face, talk on camera, or even touch the editing. Instead, you outsource everything: the script, the voiceover, the editing, and even the thumbnails. You build a content machine that works while you sleep. So, how do faceless YouTube channels make money? There are four main ways: ad revenue. Google pays you for views. Affiliate marketing. Promote products and earn commission. Sponsorships. Companies pay you for exposure. Digital products. Sell ebooks, templates, or courses. Once a video is live, it can generate money for months or even years on autopilot. Let's take the top 10 inches niche as an example. You've seen them. Top 10 richest people in the world. Top 5 iTools that will replace jobs. Top 10 passive income ideas in 2025. These videos use stock footage, background music, and a simple voiceover, all outsourced. Some channels are making over $10,000 a month with just 2 to 3 uploads a week. No face. No filming. No stress. Here's how you can start your own faceless channel, step by step. Pick a niche: finance, motivation, tech, or health. Write a script, or generate one using AI like ChatGPT. Record voiceovers, or use an iVoice tool like 11 Labs. Edit videos with tools like Pictory, or hire an editor. Design a thumbnail using Canva or Photoshop. Upload an AMP. Optimize with the right title, tags, and description. Once your system is set, you can post consistently and scale fast. You don't need to be a YouTuber. You just need a plan and the guts to start. Which part of YouTube automation are you most excited about? Let me know in the comments. And if you're ready to build your first faceless channel, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. More insider tips are coming soon.